All right, guys, 2018 Dodge Charger GT, all-wheel drive, Mango. Got factory converter there and there, factory X-pipe. This is his sixth car that he brought to us. We really appreciate his business. He's a friend, so what we did for him is we did 4 vibrants, 2 in the middle and 2 in the rear. The 2 in the middle are part number 1793. There'll be a link in the description for them right there. Then we left the original pipe in the middle and did a rear delete also and put 2 vibrants out the back on each side. Part number 1790. There they are, there and there. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, it's perfect. Are you doing that one? Wait, what are you working on? Yeah, wait, because there's a bunch of special things we gotta do to it to get here. Again? That sounds really nice. It's so deep. Again? Yeah, it's right at 100 too. Again? One more. There you go. Yeah, 101. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. This is what we cut off, guys. That's the rears. Those are the mids. Man, that sounds so good. Sounds like a V8. Again? This will be a nice sleeper. Let you guys hear on the inside. I think it sounds phenomenal, guys. It's clean, deep, not too raspy. He wanted it that way. He didn't want too much noise. He wanted the exotic sound without all the raspiness. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. For a V6, that's perfect.